So how is it like living in a pre-war apartment in Singapore? Let's check it out.
In this video, Sue and Ed show me around their pre-war flat in Tiong Bahru, Singapore. So if you're interested, join me as I walk through their Atas flats.
Wow. So is this the living room?
Yes, this is the living
Yeah,
room.
it's beautiful. Wow.
Thank you.
How long have you been living here?
2 years, but
2
we
years.
bought the apartment 3 years ago. The
Ah.
renovations took a year.
So where did you move from?
Orchard.
Orchard.
Yeah.
How is it like?
Really messy.
Oh, it was messy there.
Yeah.
It's busy, right?
Yeah, super busy.
How's it like living in Tiong Bahru?
Oh, we love it. It's
Love
a very quiet neighborhood.
Yeah.
The neighbors are really friendly.
Friendly neighborhood.
And yeah, a lot of food around.
Nice food, yeah. I just had lunch. Like I just had a 3-course full meal at the Hawker Center.
Wow, you have the typical Singaporean lunch.
Yeah, it's so delicious. Yeah.
great.
Nice food. It's very historic, right?
Yeah.
And this is like you told me it's a
Pre-war, so the British built the place.
Wow.
Yeah. So we're at the ground floor,
Mm.
and this is a 3-story apartment. Yeah. So this is 3.
Wow. Oh, I love the tiles here. Is this like a Peranakan?
Yeah, we try to
Style.
recreate something.
Beautiful. Wow. And on the left, is it okay?
Yes.
Okay.
This
Great.
is the study.
Can. Hi, Matt.
Hello.
This is your workplace.
My
and
work
your-
and play. My
Work and play.
home, yes. Yes.
Wow. I can see you like cycling.
I like cycling. Yes. Yes.
Wow. I love cycling too. Whoa.
And sometimes the cat.
Mm.
Sometimes
Oh,
the
you have a cat
cat
here.
is paying me company.
Neko-chan. Oh, he's so furry. こうやって一般家庭、特にこのエリアの一般家庭に入る機会ってそんなにないので、めちゃくちゃ貴重な映像ですよ。My viewer Warren, he's shy, so he's not showing his face, but he introduced me to Sue, who lives here. Thank you, Warren. Okay, now here's the kitchen, I guess. Beautiful. Wow. It's like a really nice cafe you have here.
Oh, thanks.
Like a
We like
cafe.
to have friends over a lot.
Oh, nice. You can have parties.
Yeah.
Whoa. Neko-chan. Yeah. Wow. She's so cute. めちゃくちゃ綺麗. Oh, sorry. I scared you. I'm sorry.
She's shy.
I think he's interested in this, the mic.
Furry.
The furry mic. See? めちゃくちゃ気になってるね、猫ちゃん。
Oh, we love this countertop here.
Wow.
Yeah.
Impressive.
So we got another separate designer for the kitchen. Yeah, different from the rest of the house.
Oh.
So actually the kitchen is my favorite part of the house. And there's a skylight which we allow like natural light to come in. So this is the toilet and this is the
You have a back entrance. 何かあったら逃げることができますね。
He designed this himself, so he liked everything dark. We hunted for houses
How
for
many?
a year.
1 year. How many did you?
We visited about.
10, 20.
It was my first time here. I fell in love with it immediately.
Yeah, there were a lot of restrictions on
Yeah.
the conservation because of conservation rule.
Oh, I
So
see.
we had to get approval before we do like many
Right.
things, especially the facade.
Right. Do you have like a photo before the renovation? I think a lot of my viewers are curious about the price. How much do you need to buy a pre-war flat in Singapore?
We paid a total of 1.1 million.
1.1 million. Whoa. How much did you spend on renovation?
I don't want to know.
You don't want to know.
Just close the eyes and just
I
sigh.
understand. Is there anything you don't like about maybe the flat and the neighborhood?
And animals.
No, I think it can get very, very busy over the weekends.
Right.
Yeah,
because it's
I
a
think
tourist destination.
a
Even the
little bit.
domestic people.
Yes. I mean, the traffic clogs up because the roads are so small, tiny lanes, but
Oh.
the car park is always full. There's always traffic jam.
Right,
There's
right, right,
cars
right.
horning like on Saturday, Sunday.
Right, right.
But the good thing is everything calms down after 2 because
After they're
the
gone.
market closes.
Oh, the market closed.
Yeah.
What do you guys do on a weekend? Do you stay in Chumbaru or do you go out?
We actually have lunch every weekend at the market.
At the market?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Yes, every weekend. And we sometimes do marketing.
Check out the back alley of Chumbaru. You told me this is a Instagram?
Yeah, Instagram
Place.
wall.
Instagram wall.
Yeah.
Wow. What are they doing? Are they playing some
This is fortune telling.
fortune telling?
Yeah.
Pre-war flat number 2.
Hi. Hello.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hi.
I'm Jib. Hi.
I'm Ed.
And nice to meet you. Wow.
Come in.
Thank you. めちゃくちゃかっこいい。This is so neat. So Ed, like, how long have you been living in this flat?
2 years, I think.
2 years.
Yeah.
How do you like it?
Yeah, it's awesome.
Awesome. Yeah.
The view's really good. It's
Wow.
Really good light.
Can I take a?
Yeah. Feel free to walk.
Thank you.
I'm just gonna make my bed actually.
Wow, this is the kitchen. Whoa.
Yeah, I know. I haven't actually started.
すげえなこれ。I love how open this area is. This is the dining table. また猫ちゃん僕のマイク気になってますね。
This Nico is very friendly.
Yeah.
If you know anyone that wants a cat,
Yeah.
you might need to look after that. Yeah, I know. I'm really annoyed that I can't.
じゃあ見ていきましょうか。
Uh,
いきなり
well,
リビン
I'm
グ。
gonna start in Brighton.
Has a big TV. Some couches here. でここに来ると、ベッドルームですね。And that's his workspace, I guess. And I think that's like the shower. Oh, right.
Oh, she's really like showing off.
Are you comfortable like sharing like the rent?
3,000.
So 3,800 per month.
All bills included.
Everything included. Okay, Ed, thank you so much. Thank you for your time.
No worries,
It's
thank you.
really great to have a peek inside your.
Yeah. She wakes up at 6:30. It's great.
That one, third floor? Fourth floor. Oh my gosh.
Above 1 million.
So that HDB was sold above 1 million, and there were only 40 years left.
Yes.
40, 50 years left.
Yes.
Wow. That shows how popular this area is and rich Singaporeans are. Whoa, what a perfect location for an ending shot. Warren introduced me to this amazing location.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you for showing me around. Thank you, Sue and Warren. See you later. Bye bye.